Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma hak arpusau tarik rempang, ulah pli pat bak bun teli ke projek hak asnang Babadam West Garo Hills, kentup ya ke Garo Hills Agro Food Park. Kani ke Agro Food Park day ke balas dang da ke All Garo Hills Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society, hapok ke jingalam jong ufada Sani Mavelil. Kani ke Food Park ke bala bay pisa barok da ke sorkar jela, hak ador katsan point nyo pulai krore. Kani kajaka kadania kajaka Santerso Mustard, Badam Cashew, Seing Ginger Processing Unit, High-Tech Food Lab, Batla Pandait Ru Yaki Solar Power Plant, 25 Cold Storage Unit, ni kajaka penpejak Yakimar. Kani ka Agro Food Park kala bansan jingbam haduk shispa metric ton, kentup ya utorso, Badam, Seing Bat Ukwai. Ha kani ka singi ba plepat ba ya kani ka projek, layadan lang uspika kajela Thomas A. Sangma, Menteri Katanat PHE Markus Marak Bat Kiwei.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
This is the final product.
These are cut and dry, so now do it pulverizing.
And so now the shelf life is gone up and the value also is gone up.
Sir, would you like to see your now?
That's absolutely.
Yeah, sure.
How about it? Read. Be careful, Bob. Otherwise you will go into the machine. 1, 2, 3. This is the power backbone of this entire setup. It's almost 300 kilowatt installation out here, and this entire unit is run completely on solar power, completely off grid. There is no connection to the grid. Therefore, this plant functions on pure clean energy. Like this, almost all our processing plants are being run on solar power. So this is maybe one of the biggest in the region. And as I said, like this, we will continue to give more and more stress to renewable energy. And as I said, it's a great example of an off-grid line where not a single unit of conventional energy is being used. So this is also one of the processing plants, again within the same campus, but here we are processing ginger. So like that, there's ginger processing, cashew nut processing, then other products are all here being processed. And hence this is again another example of how we're trying to add value and increase in Babadam area, where one of the cattle processing plants is here. And as you can see, this is what we have been trying to do by promoting processing and ensuring that the farmers' incomes goes up and employment is created and farmers get a better price for their products. I'm very happy to see that this is one of the processing plants. Like this, there are many processing plants in different parts of the states that are coming up, and we'll continue to add value and to put up more such processing plants so that our farmers can benefit.